Hello. Today I want to talk to you about the missing link and a proven COVID destroyer. It is important for you to understand that destroying COVID indoors is critical to ending the pandemic. Although COVID mutates every 10 hours or so, mutations of the virus are not an obstacle for the technology we're bringing to you today. In an open letter to Joe Biden, Joseph Urso, CEO of ActivePure Technologies, informed Mr. Biden, "We can open America once again." I quote, "Why aren't we talking about destroying COVID in indoor air?" Mr. Urso then stated the following: "Congratulations on your progress against COVID-19. Masks, testing, distancing, vaccines, all are necessary, but not sufficient. The U.S. is the leader in the technology that can get the job done. That leader is ActivePure Technology." ActivePure Technology was inducted into the Space Technology Hall of Fame, and it is the only certified space technology in the world in its class, which evolved from the NASA space program. This will bring Americans comfort and assurance now and after the pandemic ends. I would also like to point out that schools using this scientific technology are safely back in session without wearing masks inside their buildings or cafeterias. Now more than ever, we as heads of households, church leaders, business owners, school administrators, and State Department heads have an ethical, perhaps a fiduciary responsibility to protect our employees and the public who enter our facilities. And what about the safety of all the children, our families? Are we not morally required to make the right choice to end this now? What are our choices? Number one, we can continue to do what we are doing with the same dangerous results. Or, two, we can deploy ActivePure technology now to save ourselves and our loved ones. What should we do? Choice A. We can fall back on expensive, sporadic, ineffective sanitization using harsh, toxic chemicals and inferior ventilation systems which add to air pollution and surface contamination, causing greater harm to people and animals, and which do not target and encapsulate air contamination viruses such as SARS, influenza, odors, or surface pollution such as molds, bacteria, or MRSA, and we add thousands of ongoing dollars to maintenance budgets while recirculating harmful pathogens to those trusting us to protect them. Choice B. We can utilize continual, effective, natural oxidizing with NASA-inspired technology to blast out submicroscopic particles that attack and destroy viruses, VOCs, bacteria, and other environmental contaminants. Utilizing a specific wavelength of ultraviolet light, our machines can be safely operated in human-occupied spaces, removing air contaminants and surface pollutions, and prevents recontamination in real time. So, what or who is the missing link? You are the missing link to your employees, to your customers, to all children, and to to your own family. With such proven technology available, why are Americans spending billions on inferior systems? Perhaps we are unaware of this technology, or we merely reacted and did the best we could as a whole. However, you are now aware of the missing link and are armed to protect yourself, your family, and others. Which will you choose? Inferior and expensive ongoing toxic chemical cleanup and recirculating ventilation systems and a mask for life? Or this company and its Class 2 medical device? What choice will you make to fight COVID-19 to the death?